Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 34. This skill is about analytical and critical thinking. As an IT consultant, your primary goal is to define business problems objectively so you can create real, measurable value for your client. The biggest trap in our industry is solutioneering. This means jumping to a fix or buying a tool before you truly understand the problem. It wastes money and time. The fix is to use structured diagnosis and rely on hard data, not just opinions. For simple, linear problems, use the 5 whys technique to find the root cause. When you see a symptom, ask why 5 times. Why is the server slow? Low memory. Why is memory low? There's a leak. Why is there a leak? A bad patch was applied. By getting to the bottom layer, you prevent temporary, band-aid fixes and solve the real issue permanently. For complex, messy problems, use the Fishbone Diagram or Ishikawa. Draw the problem at the head, and then categorize potential causes into ribs: people, process, technology, and environment. This tool ensures objectivity because it forces you to look beyond just the technical symptoms. You check every category, ensuring you don't miss a training issue or a process flaw that is masquerading as a tech bug. For your portfolio, use this STARR example. Situation: the client requested expensive software to fix a delay in their workflow. Task: I needed to validate if this was the right investment. Action: I demonstrated K34 by running a fishbone analysis. I discovered the root cause was actually a bureaucratic approval process, not a lack of tools. I recommended changing the process instead of buying the software. Result: we saved the entire software budget and fixed the delay. Reflection: I learned that objective analysis creates huge value by avoiding unnecessary spending. If you are doing your major project, include K34 in your analysis section. Don't just state the problem, show you're working. Include your fishbone diagrams and data tables in the report. Data clear hypothesis: because I found X in the data, I believe Y is the solution. This proves to the assessor that your project is evidence-based and rigorous, not just a guess. Use before versus after comparisons to demonstrate the specific value you created. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices just like you who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.